So as sir has already told you all about मतलब कैसे हमको मतलब कैसे बेरियाट्रिक में इफेक्ट हो रहा है. मेरा आज का टॉपिक इम्यूनिटी एनहांसिंग डाइट है. बेसिकली इम्यून सिस्टम एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्यून सिस्टम के लिए हम लोगों को बहुत सारी चीजों की जरूरत होती है. लाइक इट इंक्लूड्स एवरीथिंग, हाइजीन, प्रॉपर फूड एटसेट्रा. एंड स्पेशली अभी कोविड टाइम में तो इट्स अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. So these are just general tips for handling the groceries in general. मतलब कैसे करना है अगर हम जा रहे हैं ग्रोसरी खरीदने के लिए, तो एक शॉर्ट ट्रिप रखे, क्विक रखे, and wash your hands after you come home. Before after from buying your groceries, use a sanitizer. Then before handling the grocery products, wash your hands with soap and then clean the groceries that you bought. And जैसे कि जैसा उसको प्लेस करना है, स्टोर करना है, अप्रोप्रिएट प्लेस में टेम्परेचर में स्टोर करें. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज hygiene measures and social distancing, एक major question ये है कि how do we increase our self immunity? So let's quickly go about it. Firstly, we'll talk about the vitamins that are going to help you boost your immune system. The very first vitamin is vitamin A, which boosts your immunity, supports wound healing, and lowers your risks of infection as well. There are two sources, vegetarian and non-vegetarian as well. Vegetarian sources vitamin A के लिए है dark leafy greens. इसमें सारे आते हैं, पालक, spinach, मेथी, fenugreek, etc. Then black-eyed beans, जिसको हम ऐसे white color का bean is there. Then sweet potatoes, carrots, and melons. Whereas the non-vegetarian sources are cod liver oil. You also get those seeds, those tablets of cod liver oil. You can use that, and salmon and eggs. Moving on to the next vitamin, that is vitamin B6. Now, vitamin B6 is the germ combating vitamin that naturally benefits and strengthens the immune system. तो ये naturally उसमें ये ability होती है कि हमको हमारे जो immune system है उसको वो naturally strengthen करता है. इसके vitamin B6 के vegetarian sources हैं all your vegetables and peanuts, soya bean है for if someone is not willing to have some other vegetables, and you can also opt for soya bean. Then even oatmeal. Whereas non-vegetarian sources are chicken, eggs, milk, and fish. What we have to remember is जो भी हम milk ले रहे हैं, तो that has to be low fat. और fish और chicken जो हम लेंगे, so make sure that it is skinless and उसको deep fry ऐसे मतलब a baked or a shallow fried is better. Moving on to the next vitamin, that is the vitamin C, which again supports your immune response. उसके कुछ food sources हैं, vegetables, यानी there are green leafy vegetables, again bell peppers जैसे कि आपके red, green, yellow capsicums. Broccoli is another vegetable that helps you give good vitamin C, and lemon as well. Fruits में सारे citrus fruits like orange है, then all your berries, strawberries, lychees, papayas, guava, and kiwi. Then most importantly proteins. Protein का role हमारे bariatric surgery के बाद बहुत ज़्यादा important है. So not just vitamins and minerals, but also proteins play a vital role आपकी immunity boost करने के लिए. So it helps to repair your tissue and fight infections. Vegetarian sources are quite many, like sweet potatoes, your green peas, chickpeas, beans hai, dal, all your dals, paneer, curd, milk, amaranth, then quinoa, oats, soya milk or soybean, spinach, broccoli, tofu. Now some vegan are soybean, soya milk and tofu, whereas the rest are the vegetarian sources. Non-vegetarian sources में lean meat है, यानी आपका chicken है, fish है, then chicken broth hai, and also eggs. So that's how you can incorporate in your diet. ये मैंने कुछ कुछ दिनों पहले, this is like a quick homemade protein shake that I had already shared on the groups. If someone has not seen it, so you can refer to it from here, which is just half a banana. You can add some low-fat curd, skim milk, chia seeds or flax seeds, either one you can use, and a very little pinch of cinnamon for taste. You can simply mix all of these ingredients and you can add a few ice cubes इसमें add कर सकते हैं अगर आपको इसको chilled बनाना हो. इसको on the go तभी भी use कर सकते हैं या तो you can also freeze it for a while and then you can have it later. But better is to have it fresh. इसका serving है, it serves 232 kilocalories, 100 grams of protein, and 23 grams of carbs and 6 grams of fat. Moving on to nutritional yeast. काफी लोगों को nutritional yeast के बारे में ज़्यादा information नहीं होती है, whereas I'll tell you today, जैसे कि it's a complete protein source, vitamin B होता है और कुछ trace minerals भी होते हैं like zinc and selenium. Nutritional yeast helps to immune your cells, making them more effective fighting infection. इसके दो forms होते हैं, fortified and unfortified. Fortified form of nutritional yeast वो होता है जिसमें added जिसमें उसके process के time पे, manufacturing के time पे additional vitamins add किए जाते हैं, whereas the unfortified nutritional yeast is with no added vitamins or minerals. Fortified nutritional yeast जो है, that is most commonly available. These are sold as flakes, granules, or even powder. Now, these are some commonly available nutritional yeast. यहाँ इंडिया में तो ये काफी ऐसी available है, जैसे कि powdered form है, flakes है, और इसको कैसे use कर सकते हैं, जैसे popcorn या pasta या कोई और vegetables के ऊपर भी हम उसको sprinkle कर सकते हैं, probably in some stir-fried vegetables as well. Soups में भी इसको use कर सकते हैं for flavoring, cheese के जैसा उसका थोड़ा flavor, because it has a nutty and a cheesy flavor. तो उसको ऐसे भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं अपने खाने में. That's how you can get the benefit. Also as a thickener for soups and other sauces. Moving on to the role of probiotics. Now probiotics is very important. Like it's another thing जो हमको हमारे diet में include करना चाहिए. और इसके जो it reduces incidence of psoriasis and other allergies etc. जिसका ये खुद proof है that it will help you protect your immune system. तो उसके कुछ benefit हम कैसे include कर सकते हैं, like you can use curd, low fat for sure. Then Greek yogurt भी हम include कर सकते हैं. Pickles है, kombucha tea के बारे में जो recently हमने post डाला था. Make sure आप वो एक बार फिर read करें and you can avail to that information as well. अगर Greek yogurt बाहर से लिया जा रहा है, आप अगर बाहर से खरीद रहे हैं तो make sure कि आप उसका nutritional label पढ़ें, because कुछ जो होते हैं, and it's better to take plain Greek yogurt क्योंकि उसमें added sugar नहीं होता है, तो flavored की जगह हम plain Greek yogurt use कर सकते हैं. Then good fat का जो रोल है, अभी जैसे कि fat reduction होता है हमारे डाइट में, that automatically enhances your immune system. Obviously हमें good fat include करना होता है हमारे डाइट में. So plant based foods जिसमें omega 3 omega 6 होते हैं, that are your best तो spinach होता है in your dark green leafy vegetables. Beans है, walnuts है, acai berry है, इनमें एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स भी होते हैं जो हमारी इम्यून सिस्टम को बूस्ट करता है. Then chia seeds and flax seeds are also another good source of good fats that help you increase your immune system. Whereas even coconut and olive oil is another source, and for non-vegetarian sources, fish and fish oils are the best sources for good fats. Moving on to the role of herbs. अभी herbs और spices का भी हमारे life में काफी important role है. As जिंजर और गार्लिक जो है, these two are anti-inflammatory and anti-oxidative properties होती हैं इसमें, which are likely to offer you health benefits. Raw garlic is better. Like, you know, you can incorporate it in any sort of your food, vegetable, like any vegetables or stir fry, any you know, food preparations. Whereas to get the best benefit out of the garlic, it is better to use the real stuff. जैसे कि जो proper garlic होता है, उसको हम या तो, you know, you can crush it or add it in your vegetables or any other food preparations, but not the garlic powder. Whereas turmeric is another Indian herb that is quite oftenly used in most of the food preparations. It again, it may improve a person's immune response. This is why, because इसमें एक कंपाउंड होता है टर्मरिक में, that is curcumin, जिसमें एंटी इंफ्लेमेटरी और एंटी ऑक्सीडेटिव इफेक्ट्स होते हैं. Now there's another smoothie recipe. This is a green smoothie recipe that I've prepared. इसमें हम you know, you can take 1/4 cup of pineapple, which is optional. You can even take half a mango since it's the season. So आप mango भी use कर सकते हैं, but people who are diabetic, it's better to avoid mangoes. You can take half a banana, 1 cup of spinach. That's just that one small bowl जो हमारा होता है. That comes up to 35 to 40 grams of spinach and 1 cup of water. What you can do is, पहले हमको जो spinach है, you have to whisk it, blend it with water nicely in your blender, and make sure there are no lumps and, you know, it's not a little fibrous. अच्छे सा smooth हो गया होगा. उसके बाद आप आपके जो fruits है वो add कर सकते हैं इसमें, and you can blend it all together until it's smooth and creamy. फिर it depends on your it depends on the different blender capacity. It might take 30 seconds या 2 minutes भी ले सकते हैं. You can nicely blend it, make it smooth, pour it to a glass, and you can have it immediately. अगर immediately लेना है तो you can add some ice cubes along with your fruits while you're blending it. Whereas you can also store the smoothie for a little while. Now this serves energy. इसमें around 103 kilocalories है, protein 2.1 grams, carbohydrate 23 grams, and fat is less, like minimal. It's barely any of it there.